Unpacking process. Product installation. Install the bolts. Secure the fork legs and the frame using Allen wrenches. Sequentially install the main wheel and washer. Then install the locking pin to secure. Remove the locking pin. Pull out the fork securing shaft. Install the forks. Push back the fork shaft. Install the locking pin. Install the pedal. Install the screw and tighten it. Install the flatbed according to actual needs. Product usage.